Hello and welcome everyone, this is CodeFlow. In this video we will be looking after the most common coolest feature on Windows that makes our work easier and quicker, and also we want it right after the installation. Let's see what are those features and where are they located on Windows 11. Number 1 is Start menu and icons. So in every Windows we have seen that Start menu is always located in the left corner of the taskbar, but Windows 11 changed everything. It put the default Start menu and icon on the center of the taskbar, but it also provides us the way to change its setting, and to change its setting we need to access our setting. So it can be found under the Start menu right here, but for any reason if you couldn't find it, then you can also search for setting from here like this. There are lots of customization that you can do here, but for right now we are interested on personalization. After scrolling below, you can find the taskbar setting, and from the taskbar setting find taskbar behaviors, where you can change the alignment of the taskbar icon to the left or to the center. Also you can adjust automatically, hide or show the taskbar setting from here. Let's move on to number 2, that is Start menu setting. Get back to personalization, and right above the taskbar setting you can find Start setting. From here we can add or remove folders that appear next to the power button on Start menu. In our Start menu we can see the power button, and next to it there is no any extra icon located. If you want to put some quick icons which we require frequently, like settings or file explorer, then we can put it here. So from folders you just have to on or off your requirements. I will choose settings, and file explorer I use most of the time. Number 3, the dark themes. Under personalization, go to themes setting. From here you can change background or color of your windows and the desktop. Right below this you can choose the themes of your choice, and the dark theme goes here. Another most important setting is desktop icons. It is also located under the themes. From here you can enable or disable the desktop icon like computers and user files. So these are the most common settings that we want to have after installation of the Windows. Hope you can find this setting on Windows 11 too. If you have any difficulties on getting this setting, then comment below. Hope you have already subscribed my channel and share this video with all of your friends. Till next video, have a good day.